Hi guys, it's me again, Hackspro. Right now you might be hearing like a vacuum sound. No need to panic, it's my computer overheating. Well, right now I'm gonna play my Pirate World. Wait a second. Where'd it go? I can't find it. Oh man, I did something wrong. Sorry guys, wait. I dragged it out. Okay, done. Where's Pirate Ship? Here it is. What the? Okay, I'm here. Yeah, I did some upgrading with it. See? Oh, come on, I can't get down. Yeah, see? My friend asked me why isn't there like a eating area, but now I have it. It's a buffet where the people like eat it by themselves. No chef. Chef. Well, actually there is. But nobody will cook the thing. I can play with the cannons again because I feel like it. Oh, no, no, no! Wrong side, wrong side! No, no, no! Somebody save me! Oh, shit! Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Man, what the Oh, God. Ugh. Bad. Bad. I gotta rebuild it now. Man. Wow, that was technical difficulties. I'll see you next time.